We present you Taggbox Widget, the #1 UGC platform for social media widgets, hashtag campaigns, email campaigns, UGC galleries, reviews widget, social stories, and more. Taggbox Widget is integrated with 20+ popular social platforms, from which you can collect, curate, and publish user-generated content to your marketing touchpoints. Last but not least, analyze your campaign performance. Here are our exclusive features to stand out from your competitors: customization, moderation, different themes, on-site UGC uploads, CTA button, insightful analytics, and much more. What's waiting for? Start your free trial now. After signing up for free trial, click on Add Social Feeds. You can easily collect feeds from social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and many more. Let's start by adding Instagram feeds. Taggbox provides you separate options in every social network platform to add the type of feed you wanted. Here we add feeds through hashtag. Before creating feed, select this option if you want to manually approve posts before making them public. Your hashtag feed is successfully created, and all the posts are private. Now manually make those posts public that you wanted in your widget. Once you are done selecting the desired post, you can go back and see your widget. To add another network feed to your widget, just go to Social Feeds and click on Add Feed. Choose the network type. This time we will add Google Reviews. Enter the place name and select from the drop-down. Your Google Reviews are added successfully to your widget. Now go to the filter icon at the top and filter the recently added reviews. And easily make those reviews private that you don't want in your widget. Now your widget comprises both feeds. This way you can add different social media feeds to your widget. And to manage them, go to the Social Feeds panel and click on Manage Feeds. Here you can turn on and off the status of your feeds, and also the moderation, which implies whether you want the upcoming posts in your moderation panel or directly in your widget. So as you have done managing your feed, it's time to make your widget more appealing. Go to the Themes under the Design panel. Here you can see a variety of themes to choose from. You can influence your users' choices through compelling themes, with each one offering something different. All themes have their own aesthetic quality and are seamlessly adaptable. Find the best one suited to your objective. The theme has been successfully applied. Now it's time to see what more customizations we can make to it. You can change the theme background, add a banner, or change the card style like card color, font, etc. And in the theme settings, you can enable or disable some more features in your theme, like auto update, shuffle posts, auto slide, and more. Also, you can change the on-click behavior of posts and auto slide timings too. Furthermore, you can add another useful feature to your widget, which is on-site uploads. For that, go to the Add Feed section and select On-Site Uploads. You are provided with different options. Select the one according to the type of posts you wanted your users or customers to add. Make sure to select this option so that all the on-site uploads will need approval before being public on your widget. Your on-site button is live. Preview your widget, and you can see the on-site button. To customize it, go to the Customization panel. And here you can change the button text, upload pop-up design, and thank you message. You can also add a CTA button to any post. For that, go to the Moderation panel. Find the post you want to add CTA on. At the top of the post, click on the 3 dots and add CTA. Enter the button text, choose the button color, and paste the URL. Enable the button and add it to the post. You can see that your call to action button is added successfully. Further, in the Apps and More panel, you can add more things to your widget, like custom post, profanity filter, hashtag highlighter, custom CSS, and more. Once you are ready with your social widget, click on the Publish button. Choose the platform where you want to publish your widget. Here we are publishing on a web page. Select your CMS platform and follow the steps. Your widget is live on your web page. And now your website visitors can directly share their experience through On-Site Uploads button. You just have to approve it from the moderation panel, and the post or review will get live on the widget. Later on, you can go to the analytics section of your widget to see the performance of your website with the help of these metrics.